Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So here we have my favorite girls in the office. They're practicing drawing blood. They're actually practicing on each other. They are beginners. They are doing really good, and I'm just making these videos to show you guys that beginners can do it too. I know it's very stressful. I know it's very overwhelming, especially just diving into something new, and especially with the needle. But trust me, if they can do it, you guys can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it. We all can do it. It just takes a little patience. So yeah, look at that vein Tati has. That's a juicy vein. That's what we want. So yeah, just follow along with the video, guys.
Hey y'all, we sit here, we drawing blood, we just doing
We just doing what you doing.
It's SST here.
SST, what you want again?
Hemoglobin A1C and just one.
Yeah,
Just one?
One in each.
So which one's the SST for?
The lipid. And the A1C is for.
So SST first.
So I know you guys are thinking, how are these girls working as medical assistants in the doctor's office and they don't know how to draw blood? Well, these medical assistants are not required to draw blood in this office because the office actually hired a contracting service to draw blood for them all day because this is a very busy practice. So these girls are just learning just in case, like if one of us are out or if it's really early and really late and a patient needs blood. So this is just their training that we're putting them through, and like I said, they're doing a really good job. So I just wanted to point out that they are practicing on each other before they start doing real patients. But like I said, they are beginners in this and they are doing really good. Like, she filled all the tubes all the way. You see she inverted it. She's not crossing over. Like, she's just doing an amazing job. And it's just good to boost their confidence up and let them know, like, they're doing great to be beginners. Like, all of y'all can do it. I know all of y'all can do it. All right, guys, so we have another MA here. This is her very first time drawing blood, tying the tourniquet, doing anything phlebotomy. She's actually doing a good job for her first time. You see her finger kind of got stuck trying to tie the tourniquet on, but she still tied it in a way where there's an easy release. So whatever works best for you, that's okay. She felt the vein. As you can see, she already verified the patient's information, and come to find out, this patient is actually her teacher, which was great because we're all, letting them stick us and they're practicing on each other. But luckily, her teacher from high school was kind enough to be patient with her to actually, practice on her. So here I'm just showing her how to hold the needle, bevel up. I'm just explaining to her how everything goes. So yeah, she was really nervous. She was not comfortable. So I did end up drawing this patient for her. So you'll see how it turns out.
I don't like that though. Like, it just makes me go, I don't know. Yeah, your angle's wrong. Oh, I'm not getting ready to put it in yet. Hold on, I'm just trying to. How? Still wrong. Here?
Which way is that vein going?
You gotta line up with the vein.
Which way is that vein going?
Line up with the vein. But don't go straight.
She's still not.
I can't.
Okay, let me do it. You can.
Tina, you can do it.
Say, instead of going in straight, go down.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, that's what I was trying to get you to see on your own without having sex.
You can do it.
Oh, I don't want to do it.
What? Tina, you got it.
I don't want to do it.
No.
I can't. No.
You don't want to?
No. She wants to draw. Like,
All right, guys, so this is the part where I take over. She was not feeling comfortable. She really tried to psych herself out. I tried to motivate her and I tried to get her to do it, but she was just not feeling it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the patient myself. I already sanitized my hands. I'm just gonna put my gloves on, prep, get everything ready. I'm just gonna put the tourniquet tight on the patient. Remember, the tighter the tourniquet, the puffier the vein. After that, I'm just gonna take an alcohol wipe. I'm gonna wipe her arm off really good. I'm gonna go ahead and get a 21 gauge needle. I'm gonna connect that to the hub, and after I do that, I'm gonna place the SST tube inside of the hub just to get it ready, so I'm not having to do too much as soon as I put the needle in the arm. Her vein is at a right angle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and line up with that vein and go ahead and push the tube in. And her teacher had a good idea. She said since I had to get another SST, to actually let her change the tube out just so she can see how it feels, because you do have to apply a lot of pressure when you're changing these tubes out and trying to push that tube into that vacutainer. It may seem like you can't push it, but you really have to use some force. So yeah, so you see it's coming out really easily. Other than that, everything went well. So once it gets to the end and it almost starts to fill up, I just go ahead and pop the tourniquet to release some pressure. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some gauze and release that needle. Go ahead and clip it and put it in the bio. I'm not gonna put patient information because of HIPAA. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Coban on her arm, and I'm gonna place a finger in between a layer of the Coban just so she can bend her arm whenever she needs to. Here we have my coworker. She is actually a licensed phlebotomist. I'm just showing you guys another example on how to draw blood. She already sanitized the patient's arm. She's just gonna go ahead and get a CBC real quick. I'm just showing you how to angle. This is the perfect way to angle to get the blood. Like, this is a professional, so everything that she's doing it the correct way. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys one last example before the video ends. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please like, please subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. I do reply to you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget, you can do it. We all can do it. It just takes some practice and some patience. So just give yourself a little time, okay, babes?